Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your social science virtual class. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 10. Name of that chapter is Travel and Tours. Dear students, everyone likes to visit different places. During vacations, everyone wants to go to tours to visit different places within country or outside country. The place where anyone wants to visit, that depends on some points like time they have and money with them. People finalize their holiday program according to their vacations and the money that they have means how many days they are having to spend on tour and which mode of transport they can use, that depends on both time and money. There are so many travel agencies and travel agents for the help of tourists, and these travel agencies provide large number of facilities to the tourist and guide them. These agencies provide all facilities in their packages like air train fare, boarding, lodging, sightseeing, hotel booking, meals, etc. All these informations are mentioned in brochures. Now question is, what is brochure? A brochure is a pamphlet or leaflet that is used to give information about some places. All these travel agencies have their own brochures. Some brochures you can see on your screen. In this, I will tell you a story about a family who wants to visit in their holidays. There was Marva family. Mr. Marva and his family wants to visit in their holidays. He and his son Vikas went to meet a travel agent, Mr. Gujral, at his travel agency. Name of that travel agency was Incentive Travels. They asked Mr. Gujral about various holiday packages. Mr. Gujral showed them brochures of various holiday packages of different parts of India and abroad. In that brochure, some packages included everything like air or train fare, boarding, sightseeing, lodging, hotel bookings, meals, etc. But some packages were limited to airfare and lodging only. Vikas and his father took that brochure at their home so that they can show that to Vikas' mother and sister to finalize the holiday program. All the members of the family studied the brochure and decided to visit Kerala. Kerala is a very beautiful state and it is known as God's own country. It is a popular tourist destination. Then the family paid the amount to the travel agent by check for their air tickets, booking at the resort, sightseeing and meals. Their visit we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, read page 79. Thank you.